motor, the engine I should say. Let's see if I can get out of here. So, this top one should just pull right off. And it does. And the bottom one should pull right off. And it does. How easy was that? I'm going to show you how that I hook up the hydraulic lines for this brush cutter. And I haven't turned on the auxiliary since I unhooked the grapple, so this should go right in. Let's see. Okay, that doesn't want to go in. Okay, see, I restarted it and went through the same procedure again, and the bottom went in. So there you have it. Pretty easy.